So this slide right here, as it builds out, really talks about our public and versus private environment. So if you look at our public kind of cloud, this is more of that multi-tenancy, multiple people. We have our Office 365, so you can get the entire Office suite, you can get SharePoint, Link, and all the Office products hosted in a public cloud with your company data. I actually had a customer event yesterday for a partner here in the Bay Area that was talking about how they had to set up a collaborative site with multiple different vendors working on a construction project. And so they went out and they said, how's the easiest way to kind of incorporate this? And they ended up using our Office 365 with SharePoint, so you had multiple different vendors all collaborating with each other to deliver a product for the end customer. So it was a real good collaborative leverage of our Office 365. We also have CRM online. We also have CRM on-premise. So we're offering that public-private kind of environment. The Azure platform is really a development platform as well as a storage platform for companies. It also runs that infrastructure as a service that I was talking about. So think about just moving your entire IT environment up into our cloud. On the private side, we're not going to go and restrict you on the private side. We're going to let you determine as a company what applications make sense for you to have either in a private cloud or a on-site, or on-premise. So you're going to be able to determine which one is best for your business. And then as this slide builds out, you're going to see is the benefit to customers is really common technology. So the same technology that you would use for your private cloud or your on-premise deployment of servers and technologies is the same that we're using in the cloud. So your identity is the same. I don't have to worry about logging into multiple sites at once. The system knows through Active Directory who I am. You have virtualization, and then you've got the whole management, what PCs are out there. If I look at our System Center tool, it will actually show all your users, what type of devices they're connected to, and you're able to manage those and control what happens in each device, as well as the development tools. So the development tools, we're using Visual Studio and a lot of the standard Microsoft development tools within the private and public cloud, so there's a lot of economies of scale here. So so best, what we're trying to do here is really just, deliver what we call a hybrid cloud. So it's really about saying whatever makes sense to your business. We don't want to force you 100% in the cloud with all your applications and all your data, and we don't want to force everything on-premise. We're just trying to help you determine what's best to meet your company needs and goals.